All right, guys, welcome once more to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. As you all know, what we do on this channel is to talk about crypto, show you opportunities in crypto, teach you about how the crypto community actually works, bring important info and updates to your doorstep so far you're subscribed to this channel. So today I'll be talking about something very important, something you all don't really know it really exists on your Binance app. I know most traders, 99% of the traders actually use a Binance app, and this Binance app actually has a lot of features most of you don't know about. On Binance app today I'll be talking about copy trading. You can actually copy trades from experts. Yeah, it's real, it's on Binance, but a lot of persons don't actually know it's there. I know if you do know it's there, you will take advantage of it and maybe leverage on that and make a whole lot of profit. So today, I want to show you that on Binance app. So stick to this video and watch to the very end so you don't miss out on any of the informations. All right. But before that, I will want to actually play with you to. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, to please um subscribe to this channel and as well turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever we make videos like this to assist you and as well to keep you updated with what is really going on the crypto space. And also, if you like what we've been doing so far, please go to the comment section and comment on this video to actually that will make us to sit up and do more to actually please you. So I also want to urge you to join our crypto communities. We have a community on crypto, Cruzeilla, on Telegram, and also on WhatsApp, where we give updates on crypto and as well assist people to really know about the cryptocurrency space and how it works. We also give free signals on these channels. The links are in the description of this video. So let's go right into what we have to do today. Remember, we'll be talking about copy trading on Binance. So stay glued to this video while we go in.
Okay, guys, we are right on the Binance app. Like I mentioned earlier, today I'll be showing you how to actually copy trades from experts. That is, you join most of these experts who trade, you do what they do to actually make profit. Now, a lot of persons actually take Binance to just be an exchange, but it's beyond that. It houses a whole lot of things. It's not just an exchange, it's also a bank. It's also a school, an academy. It has an academy inside. It also has a social media platforms, just like Facebook, where cryptocurrency is being discussed, and a lot of persons have make money out of this. So it has a whole lot of functions, but only if you pay attention and maybe do your own personal research on Binance before you can find out these options. But today, like I said, I'll be showing you a simple strategy, a very simple and easy way you can actually make your money make or work for you, make more profit for yourself. So let's dive straight into it. Now, on this Binance homepage, you click on more here. If you click on more, now it will bring you to this section or page. On this section, there are a whole lot of things here, a whole lot of things which many persons, more especially the newbies, don't know about. But a very interesting part of this for crypto beginners is the Binance Academy here. It has a Binance Academy, it's right here. Now, on Binance Academy, you learn a whole lot of things. I always tell people, crypto is not something you jump into just to make profit. You might make profit, but a little mistake, you get blown out on the market. So it's better you equip yourself with the necessary knowledge and info so that you can actually perform well. Remember, he who is equipped with a lot of info performs, and if it's not equipped properly, it's actually deformed and will make unnecessary mistakes. So for avoid that, I urge you to, if you're a beginner or if you don't know much about crypto, you take advantage of what you have here on Crypto Binance to learn and as well get yourself equipped with all the knowledge you need before you go into crypto. And also a very interesting aspect of this is you can actually earn crypto by learning about blockchain as well. On this section here, you can earn free crypto through learning. Wow, isn't that interesting? A lot of guys don't know about this, but you can start a course, finish it, answer questions or quiz on these courses, and you earn a whole lot of tokens being sent to you by Binance. So this is a function here on Binance a lot of persons don't know about. So take advantage of it. While you learn, you earn as well. That serves as an incentive to motivate you to actually learn crypto. So let's go back to what we have. Now, I said I'll be teaching you how to actually copy trades from experts. There's a new function added on Binance where you can actually copy trades, just like what we see on a platform called Royal Q. On Royal Q, you actually pay $100 to copy trade from experts. That is a subscription fee. But Binance is actually making it free of charge for you here. You copy trades from experts who are trading, so you can as well make a whole lot of profit from those trades. So you go to this marketplace here, click on it. You come to marketplace, you have Orange Explosion, you have Bit Refill where you can refill or buy gift cards to have cashback. Then Binance NFT, Binance Live. Remember, I made mention of Binance acting as a social media platform, just like Facebook, where you can interact, make live videos and all that. But the exception, or but the addition to this is that on Binance, you can as well in where you make uh, these live videos. You can build your pages or your platform in such a way that you gain a lot of followers, you keep it live, and you earn a lot of money, crypto, while doing this on Binance. Now, you can actually order tags here as well and do a whole lot of things here. But our area of focus or interest is here, Trader Wagon and social trading. In this page, this is where you do all the copy trading. You copy expert strategies or expert trades to trade and make profit. Now, click on it. Now, if you've not registered here, the very first time you come here, it will request you login. You can create a new account using your email and you create a new password to log into this uh, homepage. Now, if you click here, if you come to this page rather, you will see a whole lot of traders here that you can actually copy from. You see them here. Now, you should make your own proper analysis or you try to find out someone who have actually made much profit within the last 30 days. There's no way you will trade, no matter how expert or how professional you are, you must trade and you must make losses while trading, even if it's a one or two trades. So that is it. There's no perfect person on this space. So you look out for traders whose risk reward ratio, or rather the profit to loss margin is not that high, or the ratio of profit or loss to profit is not that high. So you look out for a trader who has actually made a whole lot of profit, and he who also has a space to accept you in into his team to trade with. So now, if you look up here, you see 30 days return of investment, 30 days profit and loss, copy traders, win rates in 30 days. So we are on 30 days ROI. This guy called Adrenaline here, he has made a total of 94% in the last 30 days. But here, his team is already filled 200 over 200. Now this guy has made 405%. His team is already filled. It's not an option. This one's team is already filled. This one is having 14 over 100 persons. There's a lot of space still left in his team, which you can join. He has made a total of 429% in the last 30 days. Let's click and see what he has. Now, if you look closely, he has made a total of $18,000 profit. Then is having out of 42 or 43 orders, he lost 22, total of 65. But he has made a profit, is in profit of $18,000. But the minimum amount you need to copy this guy's trade is 2,000 US dollars. So that is the criteria. You must have 2,000 USD before you can participate in copying this guy's trade. Now, you look for his different guy again. Let's check for this guy. This guy had made a total of 14,000, oh sorry, 4,000 USDT. Yeah, he made out of six trade, he won the six of them. Then you must have a minimum of 100 USDT to join this guy's team to copy his strategy or his trade. Now, if you click on copy now, it will take you to this page where you have to key in the amount of USDT you want to use to enter that trade. You choose your leverage. Then here it trades. The default copy order setting is 10 times leverage. So if you don't adjust this, automatically it will be set to 10x leverage. Remember, those who actually trade futures trading who actually knows what to do when it comes to leveraging. But if you're a newbie and you know nothing about futures trading, please do well to go through this channel. You will find a lot of videos on how the futures trading actually works and what leverage actually means before you queue into trading or copying any of these trades here. It's better you get yourself equipped with the info first. So here you can set your stop loss as well. Then you sign the agreement here and click on submit. So whichever trade this guys enters, your own is as well queued in into the market. If it makes profits, good. If it goes against you, good. But the most important and interesting aspect of this is that there are experts, and it's always expected that their winning ratio should be high. So definitely you might make some profit and as well run into some little losses. That is the sincere truth. Nobody is 100% perfect on this space, like I mentioned earlier. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only bringing to you informations and as well trying to guide you on how to make money or make good use of opportunities on Binance and every other trading platform and the crypto market entirely. So whichever losses you incur, you should please understand that in crypto there are always losses, and as well you tend to risk what you can afford to lose. So please, if you enjoy this and if you like what we are doing so far, do well to subscribe to this channel, give us a like, and as well turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop videos like this to help you. And also go to the comment section and drop a comment there. That will encourage us to do more and bring more informations to your doorstep. This is CryptoZilla. Thanks for watching and remain blessed.